ऑफ कर दीजिएगा।
What if you're a bully in game? Today, we'll get you a true ROK story. In number 77, there's all kids full of whales and tribe. They'll approach each territory and wind out their alliances. Eventually, the top ranking comes. Make it next. They surround needlessly bullying the lower ranks. Players attacking alliances without justification. Stubborn dire consequences of their power. Reduced to zero. Why not every alliance big head stall, just so happy that bullying alliance were predominantly abusive. The other specifically chose a time that would be especially late at night.